Hello there, Glamour Hounds. It's Jennifer Nicole Lee. I wanted to share with you some of my favorite beauty and wellness and self-care products. It's from Deluge, 100% natural, organic, created by a beautiful woman, Clara Madrid, who has a very special place in my heart. She's created this line out of her own personal frustrations of not having a product line that was clean, organic, easily bioavailable for your body to digest with natural oils. So my favorite anti-cellulite massage oil with the coffee beans inside, the argan oil shampoo. I love the fortifying hair mask. And yes, did you know she also has cleansers? That's a dual cleanser, and the coffee scrub. Now, I started using this lately. It is amazing. I leave it right in my shower because I love oil on wet skin. Goes right on my face and neck. Feels so good. Use code JNL10 at delugecosmetics.com.